Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instead of submerging your clothes in water with soap or detergent, the dry cleaning process uses clothing-safe chemicals to remove stains. Because of the difference in processes, when it comes to dry cleaning versus washing, dry cleaning is better for removing grease, oil, or other deep-set stains.
Let's help you make your mark.
Dry cleaning doesn't work so great on odor issues. That's especially true of odors that are caused by perspiration. So if you've got a garment in need of cleaning specifically because it stinks, consider your alternatives. Dry cleaning doesn't work so great on odor issues. 9 December 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Typical fabrics that cannot be dry cleaned safely include fabrics containing or made up of plastic, PVC, or polyurethane. Fabrics such as cashmere and wool are susceptible to losing shape in full submersion and will likely shrink, so typical washing should be avoided. Another gentle fabric is silk. 15 October 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
What might happen if you wash a dry clean-only garment? The garment could shrink, not just a little, but significantly. Some garments will shrink 2 to 3 sizes or more. Drapes can shrink to half their size. Your garment might stretch out of shape. 27 February 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.